Good morning today. We are going to be installing the 4D Tech Start-Stop Eliminator. Remove these two screws. This is the 4D Tech Start-Stop Eliminator from 4dtech.com. I am not affiliated with 4D Tech. I am just a satisfied customer promoting a quality product. For more information, please visit 4dtech.com. It is plug and play. No wires to cut and splice. This is what it will look like once the center console trim is removed. Once the two screws are removed, carefully pry up on the trim using a trim removal tool. If equipped with the wireless charging station, remove that and pry the lower USB panel out. The power to the cigarette lighter style port will be disconnected, and one end of the supplied harness from 4D Tech will plug in there. Challenging with one hand. Careful not to pinch wire harness when locking the USB panel back into position. Awkward silence filler. Obviously, some of the video footage is out of sequence. I am too lazy to re-edit it, just roll with it. Subscribe and leave a comment if you want. I try to answer everyone. Connect and reinstall the wireless charging station if equipped. Route the other end of the 4D harness between the cup holder and gear shifter. It is difficult to film with one hand and work connectors with the other hand, as you can see. Disconnect the factory connector from the start-stop switch and plug in the 4D harness in line. Reinstall the trim and the two screws. Please visit 4dtech.com for more information. Will not void warranty. Maintains remote start. Fast shipping. I am so glad I don't have to remember to push the button every time I start the car. Overall, this installation was not that difficult. As you can see, the auto start-stop is disabled at engine start with no annoying button to press. Thanks for watching until the end.